Taurus! Kamusta kayo? Hope everything's well with you. Maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so not all of you can resonate. You can watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements. Minsan, mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Taurus. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Let us see what are the energies and the messages for you for this week of July. Okay. Taurus, please. 1. Taurus. Taurus. Energies and messages for Taurus, please. Caterpillar. Things will not always be this way. A change is coming. Okay. Merong pagbabago sa inyong sitwasyon. Be patient, okay? Huwag mainip. Merong improvement na mangyayari. Kangaroo, unsettled times, need to plan ahead. For some of you, may mga insecurities, may mga challenges na nararanasan ngayon. Okay? Parang hindi kayo kampante sa inyong sitwasyon. You need to prepare, you need to plan ahead, you need to be strategic sa inyong mga ginagawa. Okay? May mga kailangang baguhin sa inyong sistema when it comes to finances or sa inyong love relationship, okay? Sa inyong career or sa inyong work. Ram, a stubborn, aggressive person. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you are dealing with a stubborn person. This is a concern, an issue para sa inyo, okay? You are dealing with someone aggressive din. Not unsuccessful plans, okay? Need to plan ahead, okay? Some of you, maging maingat sa inyong mga plans, okay? You need to prepare, you need to be strategic, okay? May mga unexpected na mga encounters, okay? Na magbabago ng inyong plano. April. Yung iba sa inyo, yung month ng April ay importante. Okay? May mga nangyari sa buwan ng April na hindi nyo makakalimutan. Merong tortoise. Slowly but surely getting ahead. Okay? Slowly but surely. For some of you, you are a silent worker, Taurus. Let us see kung ano yung messages from the tarot. Yes, for some of you, hindi kailangan magmadali to be successful. Okay. Life is not a race, it is about experience, okay? Tingnan natin kung anong messages para sa inyo from the tarot. Taurus, please. Mabagal man pero umuusad. Yan ang importante, Taurus. Energies and messages for Taurus, please. Anong mga parating for Taurus? Advice or gabay for Taurus, please. Taurus. You are a hardworking person. You are financially independent, financially secured. You have everything. Kung ano man ang meron kayo ngayon, yun ay inyong pinaghirapan. Okay? May mga napundar kayo na mga properties dahil sa inyong hard work, dahil sa inyong ipon. Okay? And now, ina-enjoy ninyo ang inyong achievements, ang inyong success. Okay? You are an attractive person. independent, okay? For some of you, you are still single and beautiful. You have that grace, Taurus, attractive. Yeah. You are financially well off, okay? When it comes sa kaperahan, when it comes sa trabaho ninyo, you are successful. Karangyaan, kung ano yung mga pangangailangan sa family na provide. Masaya ang inyong home life. You feel complete whenever you are with your family. Merong pagkakaintindihan, okay? Despite of that, meron kayong malakas ang inyong intuition. You feel na merong nangyayari behind the scenes, okay? Nakakaramdam kayo na merong mga hindi maganda nangyayari sa paligid ninyo. Merong fears and insecurities within you. Or insecurities about sa paligid ninyo. Pero sa work, okay? Or sa circle of friends, merong inggit. For some of you, parang hindi clear sa inyo kung anong path ang inyong patutunguhan, saang direksyon, anong direksyon, okay? You need to follow your intuition, listen to your heart, Taurus. Yeah. You fear na merong merong dishonesty and deception na nangyayari. Okay? Merong betrayal or pagtatraidor. Pero binubuhos mo yung oras mo sa pagtatrabaho, nakafocus ka sa sarili mo, how to improve yourself. Okay? Yeah. This is for some of you, okay? Mayroong insecurities and you need to improve yourself. You feel that you need to improve or to develop yourself further. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, you are connecting or dealing with a fire sign, a Sagittarius, to be specific. Patience is needed. Kung meron mang challenges sa taong ito, you feel na parang lagi mo siyang pinagbibigyan. Okay? You are being patient with this person because of his behavior, his or her behavior. Parang hindi siya ganun ka-consistent sa kanyang pinapakita or sa kanyang ginagawa. There is pride. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, you feel happy and proud of yourself sa inyong na-achieve. Okay. Merong wish come true sa part ninyo, Taurus. Yeah. Merong pagbabago na mangyayari, change of location or address, change of job, okay? Kailangan nyo tingnan, i-assess yung mga nangyayari sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? A change is meant to happen. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, yung pinaplano ninyo ay hindi nangyari, okay? Merong discontentment, merong disappointment, okay? Disappointed kayo sa nangyayari sa inyong sitwasyon. Yeah. A change is needed to happen, okay? Truth will come out. You will be victorious and successful sa inyong ginagawa. Okay? Merong breakthrough. Kung meron kayong project na ginagawa, you will be successful. Okay? You will be victorious. You will be looking forward. And you will be looking forward sa success. Okay? Meron kayong inaantay. Abundance is coming, Taurus. May mga choices kayong gagawin, okay? For some of you, maraming mga material things na nasa isip ninyo. Plans, okay? Gusto nyong bilhin or gawin. Okay? For some of you, merong someone na merong regret or nalulungkot because a change will come, okay? Dahil sa isang pagbabago na mangyayari or nangyari, okay? Take what resonates, Taurus. This is not for all of you. This is a general reading. Depende sa inyong sitwasyon, but these are the energies na lumalabas. There is a stillness. For now, parang kailangan i-let go yung control issues. Hindi mo pwedeng pilitin yung hindi mo pwedeng pilitin kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari. Sometimes you have to accept the change and embrace kung ano yung mga insights, new insights or ideas na parating for you. Okay? Hinahayaan mo na lang mangyari kung anong dapat mangyari. Okay, Taurus? Minsan, that is the best thing to do. May blessings na darating. Okay? Blessing. Okay. May mga nangyayari na maganda. Minsan, kung hayaan mo na lang, i-let go mo yung control issues mo. Okay? And you will be surprised. May magandang nangyayari. Okay? May mga blessings na parating sa inyo, Taurus. Relax. Okay? Yeah. Because for some of you, you are confused on what to do in your situation. Okay? Kung merong mga changes or pagbabago, learn to accept it, okay? Merong blessing na darating because of acceptance. Okay? You will be victorious. May matutuklasan ka or may makukuha kang informasyon or solusyon sa inyong problema. Okay? If you are dealing with a person, makukuha mo ang kanyang support. Okay? He or she will be cooperating with you. Yeah. Trust in the divine timing, Taurus. Okay? Kasi minsan medyo may katigasan ng ulo yung Taurus. Sorry Taurus, but this is for some of you, okay? Minsan mas mabuti na hayaan mo na lang ang sitwasyon at hayaan mo yung universe ang gumawa ng paraan, okay? Yeah, this is going to be a successful time for you, Taurus. You are a wise person, okay? Yeah. You are looking forward for some exciting things or happenings in your situation, okay? Yeah. Happy times will come. Brighter days ahead for you, Taurus. Yeah. Kung ano man yung mga pinoproblema or kung napapagod ka na sa inyong ginagawa, merong break, okay? Merong exciting na happenings na darating. New opportunities will come for you. There will be expansion and growth sa inyong ginagawa. Yeah. You will be successful kung ano man yung ginagawa sa work nyo, sa business ninyo, okay? You will have the resources, the wisdom na kailangan ninyo to move forward at ma-overcome yung mga challenges along the way, okay? Yeah. Tingnan natin kung anong message from the angels. Okay? Angel message for Taurus, please. Message and advice for Taurus. Yeah. Taurus, please. Angel message for Taurus. Taurus. Conscious consumer, you have the power to heal and help the world with your decision to buy only products and services that are ethical and environmentally friendly. As a conscious consumer, you choose to invest in fair trade and organic goods. You live simply and you purchase only that which you need. Okay? So, kung meron kayong plans, marami kayong gustong gawin or meron kayong gustong bilhin, be aware, okay? Hindi lahat ng magaganda sa mata ay maganda or okay. Be practical. Be conscious sa inyong binibili, okay? Or sa inyong mga options or sa inyong mga choices. So, choose wisely. Tingnan natin. Message from the angel number. This is for some of you, Taurus. Take only what resonates. Oops. Okay, 25. If you keep seeing the number 25, this is the message for you. You have a great ability to take in and process information on both conscious and subconscious levels. Your curiosity is endless, and your desire to dive deep into a variety of subjects will bring you an immense awareness of the world. I am intelligent. So you are intelligent, Taurus. Okay. Be smart, be wise. Okay. Let go of the control issues and you will be fine. Blessings will come in. Okay. So that is the message for you, Taurus. Maraming salamat sa iyo and see you on the next video. Bye!